values into the table. So we select the variable table of values, change to insert, and then select the name of the structure. So we will select the structure. So this statement gets completed. So the two values, the structure has two values, one is the attribute and the other one is the value. So we have selected the plant, and then we have selected the value from the MARC MRP plant structure, and the two element values are then inserted into the table from the given structure. Now once this rule is created, we will go up and then we will activate the rule set, so that whatever rule we have created gets selected. Now we need to create the second rule. So we go to the options and then select this option, insert next rule, and then say create. Now in this so we can directly move to the if statement and then create an expression. So let's say for the description we can write get attribute value, right? And then using the if statement, then say create expression. So in the we will then write a statement for the procedure call. So in order to determine the value of the status, plant specific status, we will use the function procedure call, and so let's say get attribute value from MMSTA. Let's call this with a name. So from MMSTA, then we will create and navigate to object. So now in this procedural call data object, we will first select the static method. So we know there is a standard class which is a body class called CLUSMD rule service. So we enter this class, and subsequent to this class we will enter the method. This is the method where we have written the post exit. So we go to the method, and it's called get attribute value. So we select this method, then again we press enter. Now in the result data object, we will select our variable. So we'll select, so we have defined attribute value 3 as the element. So we'll select this element in the result data object, and below this we will then add all the parameters. So one by one we'll select all the 4 importing parameters for the class method, and then we will start assigning the values. So in the first case for IV entity, we will assign So I can use the direct value assignment and enter the name of the entity. So this is my first entity that we said earlier, MRP basic. Then we define the second variable